told that it's been quite a very fruitful working session for the past 2 days, Excellencies. You've exchanged a lot of ideas which we believe are important, that must make sure that we come up with solutions from here to take us forward in terms of making sure that we have a pipeline of skills that are required that must sustain this nuclear industry. So your presence is very important, and your ideas that you have been engaging will be very important for us as a country and for us as a region, that we work together collaboratively and make sure that we generate solutions for our own problems in Africa, and we solve them ourselves.
In addition to what we've come to do here in South Africa, and Bismarck and Bambo and the rest, we don't take it for granted, really. We at the agency really appreciate every time we get a member state honoring us and accepting that they can be able to host not just a meeting, but you can imagine a hospitality of this magnitude. Already we can be able to feel that comfortability in whatever is going to come before us.
The Northwest University is very thrilled to be the host of this event, working very closely with our Department of Minerals, Resources and Energy. I would like to thank Ms. Makaye for really ensuring that we come to the party and contribute as the Northwest University in this endeavor. I don't want to make long speeches. From here, we're going to live with very concrete actions, and we need to have ways to monitor those actions to make sure that there's implementation. So enjoy the dinner and let's mingle.
Yeah.